Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can check your balance on Chime. So let's get started. Checking your balance on Chime is super easy, and you can do it right from your phone. First, open the Chime app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Chime dashboard, where you can see your account balance immediately. You'll see your balance for both your Chime spending account and any savings accounts you might have set up. If you want more detailed information, tap on your spending or savings account to view recent transactions, and your current balance will be displayed at the top of the screen. You can also check your balance on the Chime website by logging into your account on a computer. Just visit the Chime website, sign in, and you'll see your balance right away on your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully checked your balance on Chime, whether through the app or online. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.